Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show how to create and join class using Google Classroom. So this video is divided into two parts, one for student and one for teacher. So the video might be long, so I'm going to put a timestamp in the description below which will allow you to jump to different part of the video. So if you are looking for something specific, just click on the number, you will jump to that part of the video. So without wasting time, let us start on how to access our Google Classroom. Before we create online class using Google Classroom, we need to have three things. One is Google Doc, second one is Google Drive, and the third one is Google Classroom. These are the three apps that we need. So in most of the mobile, Google Doc and Google Drive are already installed, but in some of the mobile you may not find. If it is not there, you can download from Google Play Store. Okay, and then you can click on this Google Classroom apps. This page will open. Once you click on get started, a Google sign in box will appear. You select whatever email account is there, or you can add any new Google account. Okay, let me select and then click OK. Once you click OK, the Google Classroom page will display. You can see the Google Classroom page is blank. It is empty. Nothing is here. Why? Because we are logging for the first time, so we can't see anything here. So next time if you log in back after creating any class here, then you can see some of the lists of some classes. So now let us see how to create a classroom. So in order to create a classroom, just click on this plus icon which is on the right top corner. Just click here. Two options will display. Join class and create class options will display. From a list, we have to select what? Create class. Then a message box will pop up with some informations about the Google Classroom. So information you can read, or else you can click on this checkbox and you can click continue. Once you click continue, a create class page will appear where you can fill all your class informations. So here let me fill up the class information. Okay, after you have fill up all the information, just click create. Automatically Google Classroom will create your class for you. So this is an area where you can use to give notice to your student. So this area is acting as a notice board, and this area is where assignment you assign to your students, that list will display in this area. Okay, so I hope you understand about this page. Okay, next we'll go to the people options. When you click on people options, what happens? This page will pop up. So in this page you can see two options, one teachers and second is for student. So you can see here on the right corner these icons. So with the help of this icon we can invite students as well as teacher. So let us see how to invite a student. Okay, in order to invite a student you can use this option student, as well as you can use these options here to invite a student, but I suggest you to use the second option, that is these options here. You can note down this code, so we can share this code through WhatsApp or any other apps. Okay, using this code they can join the classroom. But here you can see this area is empty. So no student has joined this class, so it is empty. Once if any student join this class, what happens? You will see this in this area the name of the student. So for now there is no student, so it is empty. Next we have what? Classwork options. When you click at this classwork option, it's take you to this page. Now this page is empty because till now you have not created any assignment for your student, so it is empty. Now in order to create an assignment, you have to click at this plus button. This option box appears. So here you can see lots of options are there. If you have any question, if you want to know about all these options, you can leave a comment below. Okay, for example, I want to ask some question to my student, so I click on question, then this page appear. So here for example I want to write a question. Let me write a question first. Okay, suppose I have written what is a computer. This question I want to ask to my student. So instruction whatever you can give. Any instruction if you want to give, you can give, but for now I'll not give any instruction here. And for example point, for this question I want to set for example 5 marks and click save. So do you means what? Here the advantage of Google Classroom is whatever assignment you assign student, you can set a time or you can set a date, so that student have to submit before that date or before that time. Otherwise what happen? His or her assignment will be not accepted. So for example due date, I will not give any due date because just for an example I am showing. But if you want to give any due date, you can click here, you can set any date, and also You can set any time. Topic, we don't have any topic because we have not created any topic, so we'll not go on topic. Okay, so here one thing you have to keep in mind, this option, the first option, should be unchecked before we create online class using Google. Check. After setting all these things, you just click on this. You can see this button here. Or if you want to add something, for example pictures or some file or some video, then you can click on this icon here. So let me attach one picture. For example, let me go to file and then let me select this one, picture, and then you can click on this arrow button here. Okay, just click here and this will be sent. See, in this classwork area it was empty, now it is with this question, what is a computer. Now if you go to stream option, to this first option also, when you click here, you can see below this portion was empty, but as soon as you assign something to your student, it appear on the first page on your dashboard. Okay, as we all know that there are no student in our class which we have created now. When we go to people, we see no student is there. See, in this area no student is there. Okay, so now using my second mobile phone, I'll join to this class using this code. Let me switch to the second mobile phone to show you. Okay, now we are in my second screen. In this mobile, I want to show you how the student will join the classroom. So this part is important. This part is especially for the student. So here also we have to install three things: Google Drive, Google Classroom, and Google Doc. So as we install all the three things that we need, then we can click on this classroom apps. Once we click here, so this page will appear. You will see the same interface that we have seen in the teacher sections in my first mobile. So here we have to click this plus icon. When you click here, two options will be there: join class, create class. Here as a student we have to join. We'll click join class. Once we click join class, this page will appear. So here you just click on this class code box. Once you click here, a cursor will appear where you can type the code. Okay, let me type the code first. So this was the code through which I can join to the class which just now we have created from the first mobile. So after typing a code here, just click join. Once you click join, this Google Classroom will take you directly to the classroom that was created by your teachers. See, now you reach to your classroom. Now here we can see this section. We have this question here, new question, what is a computer? Why? Because already the teachers from this classroom have assigned something to us, has given some tasks to us. So as we get this work, this task, let us see what is there. To do that, we will click here. Once we click here, we enter the page directly. Also we can enter by clicking on this area, or you can click on classwork. When you click on classwork, same thing you will see in this page. Okay, now we can click on this assignment. You see the questions that teachers has uploaded, or you see the tasks or assignment that teacher has assigned to us. Then you can type the answer in this box here. You can see the picture that teacher has attached. Okay, let me see the picture first. So this is the picture, yes or no, that teacher has attached with the question. So you can see the picture, and also you can answer whatever question is given to you. For example, let me type the answer. Suppose I have typed an answer. Now after typing an answer, you can click these options, or before turning, if you want to give any message or any comment to your teachers, you can give. For example, let me give a comment here. So after typing, click on this area. Okay, just click here, then this comment will be sent to your teacher, and as soon as this comment will be sent, then teacher will get a message. And if you click turn in after typing all the answers, then what happened? This box will appear where you can see you won't be able to make changes after submitting. Once you have submitted, you cannot change your answer. Click submit. Answer submit message will pop up. Got it? Once you submit your assignment, the teacher will get a notification. So in this way, your answer will be submitted to your teachers, and seeing this, teacher will grade you or give marks for whatever assignment you have submitted or whatever answer you have submitted to the teachers. So I hope you like the video. If you have any doubt, then you can leave a comment below, and hope you like the video, and don't forget to like and share. Your sharing is caring. So this video may help other teachers or students to use this app to have an online classes. So once again, thank you all. God bless you. Stay safe. Take care.